You guessed it, folks. And now the end is near. If you know the words, sing up. If you don't, shut up at some crap. The final curtain, my friends, I'll say it clear and state my case on which I'm certain.
I've lived a life that's full, traveled each and every highway. More than this, I did it my way.
Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption.
I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and much more than this, I did it my way.
Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. Let the record show I took the blow and did it my way.
I've loved, laughed and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing. But now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing.
I've loved, I've laughed and cried. I've had my share, my fill of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, everybody!